Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cash App to Afterpay. Let's start by opening the Cash App on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. This takes you to the Discover page, where you can find different offers and services. On the Discover screen, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type the word Afterpay. Then press the search button. If Afterpay appears in the search results or under recommended offers, tap on it. You might see a page with more information or a button to connect your Afterpay account. Follow the on-screen steps to link or use Afterpay with your Cash App. If Afterpay doesn't show up in the Discover section, that's okay. Not every Cash App account has this feature yet. You can still use Afterpay with Cash App by starting from the Afterpay app instead. So now, close Cash App and open the Afterpay app on your phone. On the Afterpay home screen, find your active order. Tap on the order to view the details. Next, look for a button that says Pay Early. Tap on it. This takes you to the payment method screen. Now check to see if Cash App is listed as a payment option. If it is, go ahead and select it. Then follow the steps shown on your screen to complete the payment using your Cash App account. These are the two main ways to use Afterpay with Cash App. The first way is by finding Afterpay inside the Cash App Discover section. The second way is by choosing Cash App as a payment method from within the Afterpay app. Before you try these steps, make sure both Cash App and Afterpay are updated to their latest versions. This helps make sure you have access to all the newest features and payment options. Thanks for watching.